Good morning. You know the drill. It is Friday. Welcome to our Friday wrap-up. Good morning, Carol.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Sherry. We are coming to you from our newest listing, 1200 Evans Street, located downtown Morehead City. Last week, we were at 118 Yopon in Pino Shores, which went under contract. This week, we thought we'd feature our newest listing.
Yes, it's a gorgeous property.
Beautiful property.
Just recently redone the kitchen, and that's one reason we're inside, so you can see how pretty it is. It's just a few blocks from the sound with multiple sound accesses that are, one with a boat ramp, kayak storage, picnic table, sandy beach. So it's a great location, and you can ride your bike downtown. And walk downtown.
Yes. 1200 Evans Street, and there's an open house tomorrow from 10 to 12.
Be sure to check it out.
With a 2-car garage, which is very
Unusual in
this neighborhood. So.
A very busy week in real estate. 75 new listings have hit the market, 55 closed listings, and over 87 pending listings for the week, which tells me the market has picked up. If you are considering selling and you don't do it now,
yeah, you might miss it. And we've had sellers last year that missed this little window, and then the market just traditionally slows down. So
you will miss your opportunity. So if you're on the fence, you need to give us a call today.
Absolutely, for sure.
Can you tell us, ladies, about downtown Morehead City, the promised land? What do we look like?
Days on market here have really dropped. There's a direct correlation between the prices going up and the inventory. And our inventory is at a low, in like 20 years. This is the lowest it's been. And so the prices are going up and the days on market are going down. And in some cases, like last week, one day. I mean, we featured the house and it was gone.
Absolutely.
3 offers.
Yeah, and we're expecting something similar here. The total active in Morehead City, just for this 2 or 3 weeks time frame compared to last 2 or 3 weeks last year, our active are down 46%.
Wow.
And then last year total, our active was only down 2%. But this is the trend right here. I mean, the 46%.
If no more inventory came on the market today, how long would it take to absorb what we currently have?
Less than 2 months. Less than 2 months. There are 9 properties active now in those 3 areas. There are 10 under contract. There are 49 that have closed in the last year to date.
That is amazing.
So that tells you we need your inventory.
That's right. Absolutely.
2 months. That is unheard of.
We got one last week over on the water on the other side, which is, that's the up and coming neighborhood, and that one was under contract in 1 day.
I know. My buyers didn't even get to see it.
So anyway, we're excited to be selling real estate in Carteret County, and we would love to help you.
Absolutely.
So
and if you want the experts for downtown Morehead City, we're the ones to call.
Please call us.
Yes.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.